Hey everyone, welcome to Debugger's Den, and today we will be discussing about TCS Code Vita, a very important topic, and we will discuss how you can prepare for TCS Code Vita, what will be the eligibility criteria and everything about TCS Code Vita. So let's get started. Basically, TCS Code Vita is the largest global computer programming contest. It will be a 24-hour online programming contest and where you can log in from anywhere, anytime. So it is conducted by TCS, and if you perform well in this contest, then you can grab a ninja or digital offer from TCS. Moving forward to the discussion. So what all a student will get if they participate in this contest? So if you perform really well and if you are a top coder, then you will get a global ranking, and this ranking is of so much of value. So you can earn this global ranking. Other than this, if you are a top three coder, if you are among a top three coders, then you can win a total prize money of USD 20,000. Apart from this, if you perform pretty well in this contest, or if you're able to solve some set of questions, then you can grab internship and placement opportunities as an like ninja offers, digital offers. You can grab those offers as well. Now moving forward, coming on to the eligibility criteria. So students who are completing their academics in 2020 to 2025 can apply for this contest. Apart from this, undergraduates and postgraduates related to engineering and science background in any domain are eligible for this contest. So no matter if you are what's your branch, you can apply for this contest. Also, the student who are in third year will be eligible for internships as well, and who are in their fourth year or pass outs will be eligible for placements as well. So you can grab those offers from TCS if you perform good in this contest. Talking about the rounds in TCS, so first will be pre-qualifier. Then if you perform good in pre-qualifier, then you can participate in qualifier, and if you perform well in qualifier, then you will you can go to grand finale. In pre-qualifier, there will be 6 questions, and you have to solve these questions in the span of 6 hours. So it will be a 6 hours long coding challenge, and you can start this test anywhere, from anywhere, anytime in the span of 24 hours. Now, after pre-qualifiers, if you solve 1-2 questions, then you can get a call for a ninja offer. And if you solve more than two questions or 1-2 questions, then you can get a even call for digital offer. After pre-qualifier, you have a qualifier round, and it is again a 6 hours long coding challenge. Just the level of questions will be little higher than the previous pre-qualifier round. Now, after qualifier, you will be having a grand finale, and the top 3 coders of grand finale will win the cash prize of USD 20,000. Now, I hope you got about the rounds, and you can guess that it is a totally a coding contest. So if you're not good in APT and you want to go in TCS, then this is the opportunity. Now, topic about very important thing, how you can prepare for these coding questions. So these are some of the topics which are usually asked in TCS coding questions. First is number theory. You can get a question from a number theory. You can practice questions related to number theory. Now, again, there can be questions which require a good knowledge of your own language. Like in C++, we have STL for stack, use, linked list, and we have collections, Java collections in Java. So you can get well versed with these concepts as well, because you can get questions from stack, queues, and where you need your language. The good knowledge of language will help you to solve that question. Also, the starting questions will be, the constraint will be very low, that you can solve them by the brute force approach as well. So if you are seeing any question, check out the constraint, and if the constraints are low, then solve with the brute force approach, and you can get a good marks. You can get that question as well. Apart from this, there can be questions from algorithms, and these questions can be straightforward algorithm question. Just there will be a story-like question, and but the main ask of the question will be the algorithm only. So you can revise those algorithms. You can try how you can implement these algorithms, and you can solve the question based on algorithm as well. Apart from this, questions can be from maths also. The hard questions, like after 3 questions, the question can be from dynamic programming, graph and trees. So if you are good with dynamic programming and graph and trees, then you can solve those questions as well. Solving 3 questions, around 3 questions, 3, 4 questions can land up you a digital offer, or and solving 1, 2 questions can land up you a ninja offer. So you can try covering all the topics, or you can pick topics which you find easy and you can prepare those topics first. Now that was all about the preparation. Now moving forward, the last thing is to take care of the flag. Don't copy paste codes from your friends and various sites. If you copy paste codes from your friends and sites, then TCS Code Beta takes very much care of your copy pasting things. And if they found any kind of flag, then they will reject you. You won't be able to get internship and placements opportunities if you copy paste code. So make sure your code is of use. Even if you are seeing anything from various site, then make sure to change it in your own way so that it is not counted in the flag. So that was all. And also the TCS registration have been started. So go to the site and register for the site. Now we'll see where you can register, and I will also provide a link in the description box below. Also, let's see how you can find the sample questions, how you can register for TCS Code Beta. So this is the site, and when you will click here, then you will get a registration option and you can register through on the TCS. This is here, you will fill your email ID, and if you're a new user, then you can go to registration. So this is place where you can register. We will provide up the link in the description box as well. You can check the link directly from the description box. Apart from this, if you want to see sample questions, and TCS Code Beta have provided that also. There are some sample questions provided by TCS. These, and you can see there's A, B, C till G. There are these much sample questions, and you can try these questions and you can prepare similar questions so that you get well versed with the type of questions you will be receiving in TCS Code Beta. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any queries, then you can ask them in the comment section below. If you want any help from us, you can ask in that too in the comment section. We will definitely help you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.